country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Fight better gbasgbos don erupt between ex-Fination and the present Fination. So I go first explain how the matter take start before I go come drop the voice over of their explanation. A particular fan, the girl dey vex na Fination. She was a Fination before. She say according to her, Phyna block her after she tried to advise Phyna for Phyna bad character so far. So as Phyna block her, the girl come turn to Phyna enemy. She come start to dey drag Phyna for anywhere where be say she see where they talk about Phyna. Say anywhere where be say there's anywhere where be say she see they talk bad about Phyna. Say she go continue to dey insult Phyna. So the thing not come sit well with the present Fination belle because all of them na birds of the same feather before. But since Phyna don already block this one won't come take revenge. So the lady in question, she can't give her own side of the story of how everything take happen. According to her, she said for Fination, for their camp, say that they come together, they plan the particular fave where we say they won't drag for Twitter space. To the extent say she don't drag other people fave, to the extent say she not get anybody where we say they help her again. Say so there was a time where we say she need help financially. She can't they find person where we say go help her. She can't they go people DM for Twitter. So she can't go stumble onto one woman where we say be lawyer. Come back the woman say, see oh babe, I need your help. Say things they hard for me. So the woman got and say, you remember when you were insulting me so time because you they stand Phyna at that time, you rain a lot of insults on me, swear on me. So the lady come tell and say, say she no even remember when she dey insult people because of Phyna. Say make the woman forgive her, all those type of things. But the woman come tell her say, well, say she no fit and forgive her because the deed has already been done. So that thing come pain her because according to her, the girl where they talk the story now, her name na Stella. So if I dey mention Stella, more na dey understand which I dey talk about. Stella na be the ex-Fination where remove herself from Phyna Fanbase. She said that thing where be say that woman tell her, come make her rethink her life, come say, say see you at the end of the day, everything I do for this Phyna girl, she eventually block me just because I give her advice. Say I don't tire to the fight people because of you. May you try to the limit the kind thing where be say you dey talk. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, I beg try make you subscribe. Please, I beg, like this video, help me share them and drop your comment for the comment section below. Una thank you. Also say she almost lose her job because she dey defend Phyna online. Say a lot of people distance themselves from her because she dey defend Phyna, only for her to shop blocking at the end of the day. Now make her the verse. Say so she no go gree for Phyna. So the present Fination, they come start to the attack her, they insult her. Now the back and forth, now two of them come they do where we say I go drop the audio for una. So make una listen to wetin the both of them they talk about.
Drag me, but drag me with facts. Drag me with correct. I did not drag you. I told you specifically to stop preaching because you are never a saint. I told you specifically to stop preaching because you are never a saint. You are also a liar, you're also a bitch, you're also part of the Hollywood things that was happening in Fination. You are also part of it. So you don't remove yourself. You can tell me now 2024 you have repented, or because you are standing left by here now you have repented. But when you are not repented, so stop preaching. I told you to stop preaching. Come outside with your full chest. This is 2020. You can't beat me. You are not beating me. I did not come and meet you. I did not call you on phone and say, Sharon, please give me money. Even your Phyna, I did not go and meet her and say, Phyna, give me money. She said something that was not good, and as a fan, which have been defending her all this while, I've been defending her, collecting insults, almost lost my job. I did not go and meet her and say, Phyna, pay me back. See it, I keep on hyping her. So I have every right. If I come and meet any Fination today and say, Fination, I'm in need of help me. But which I did not go and meet any Fination. The only Fination that I know that I went specifically to his DM, that he even have the screenshot, is King Osas. And because the guy was one of the reasonable people in that Fination, I went to meet him and it was a giveaway. Phyna was doing giveaway on that day. She was doing opening giveaway. And unfortunately, this guy was among the lucky people that had the giveaway. And I went to meet her and said, King Osas, how far now, guy? We gathered there on this street, show me love, And simple, the guy just gave me an he showed me love. We are even many that he showed love. I did not come to your DM, Sharon. I did not come to your DM. So if you are stating your fact, state it correctly. And it is never a bad thing for me to ask for help because I voted. Even if I did not vote, even if I did not go and meet Phyna, even if I see Phyna today, I will tell her, baby girl, I'm in need of help. If you help me, help me. But I did not meet her. I did not go to her DM. I only commented on something and she blocked me. And I stayed on my lane. So for me to drag her, even though the drag that I'm dragging her, I'm just trying to be sincere because some of you, we know what we do. You people know what we used to do when we want to drag other faiths. So make we, if now want to open in a nyash, make we open our nyash one by one, make everybody hear. We know all what we used to do. We know all what we used to do. So all these things was for dragging material. And the day that Pekus was shared, it was on the space and you were on that space. You were on that space that day, that night, that the Pekus was sharing. But the other day you came and you said you were not on that space. So tell me, it's HQ, the owner of the lady that we accused that it was a Pekus that was shared. She too, she was on the space that day. But unfortunately, the mumu of us did not know. So, and I'm very sure she came out openly.
So after this fight, I no fit drop the whole voiceover because it was na for many hours. So the thing, two of them at the end of the day, they come they insult their family, insult their children. Do you know that these two people, as they insult their children and their husband, they not feel bad? They actually feel bad, say na Phyna they insult. They not feel bad, say they insult their children and their husband. Now that one shock me pass. If you see curse where they curse each other, you go shock. At the end of the day, stanship, you no go gain anything from inside. See how that girl don close doors for herself because of stanship. She dey fight people online because of stanship. I don tell una say everything wey be say I dey talk for this my channel is all cruise, but those of una wey be say wan carry am for inside una heart make e dey pain una, I wish una well. Make una dey try dey follow me dey cruise. This na Big Brother Naija Street. Cruise and leave the matter for Matthias. All these faves no send una papa. Don't take anything serious. Not take anything wey be say gas to do with BBN serious, because you no know the person wey be say you dey fight online. Na just the truth. There's a story going on right now about a TikToker wey be say swear for person. I don't know whether that person swear for her, but she swear for person. But I just dey hear the story to say she kpai because the person even swear for her to say the pikin wey be say she carry, say she no go born the pikin, she no go see the final days of the labor. And it came to pass. The girl die yesterday. You no know the person wey you dey fight with online. All these courses una dey see am as a small thing, but not be small thing. This na Big Brother Naija people wey no send una. Now una go still give them una money. Now una go still collect a generational curse upon una innocent children. So I just think make una just calm down for this street, cruise the cruise where be say you want cruise and move on. Una take care, una bye.